Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel Creative Digital Hacks. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own moon brush in Photoshop. And trust me, it's much easier and faster than you might think. Let's get started step by step. First, open your moon image in Photoshop. Then, go to Image Adjustments Invert. This will create the perfect contrast for our brush. Next step. Now, head over to Edit Define Brush Preset. Give your new brush a name. I'll call it Moon. Now, use the moon brush you just made and lightly click once on the moon image itself. This step sharpens and finalizes your brush base. Once your brush is created, open the final image where you want to add the moon. Adjust the brush size according to your scene, and simply click to place your moon in the image. And there you have it, your own custom moon brush added into your design. Sparkles. Quick, simple, and so effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Photoshop tips and creative tricks. See you in the next video.